Good morning, fellow Forex traders. It's Terry FX with Terry.com. Live Forex trading review. Short and sweet this morning. Big week coming up with some major updates, consolidations, changes, bonuses, benefits. I did say in the group this morning, before we get into this trade we're looking at, which I just gave away for free inside the group, this is a US 30 buy trade. You probably could still enter. However, we're slightly in profit. In fact, let's go ahead and watch this here. Gave it away for free because the market's been beating us up a little bit here. Huge movements, and then it goes sideways. Huge movements, then it goes sideways. Entry, it goes against us. Welcome to Forex trading. In the end, with the goal, but in my experience, with my trades and what we do, everybody does it differently out there, but with my trades and what we do, even if we take some sort of loss on our high profit trades, gold, US 30, if you look at it, if you just look at it, you jump in one day, you're like, oh my God, incredible, or oh my God, that's a loss. Overall, I'm always up, always in the positive. But I trade in a very particular way. I a lot of times take the automated trade signals that my system sends and I scale in and add to it. So you will do that one way or the other. I did say this, tons of notifications. US 30 is up and down and up and down. You'll see it here. We were just down $15 and up $15. You can see I'm only bidding 0.02. I adjust my bid on a daily basis based off of what previous trades have been doing from this automated signal, and US 30 has been beating us up. However, 9.9 times out of 10, if you look at this here, we got a huge push down. Okay, that means it's going to bounce back 99.99% of the time. So that's why I did a buy down here, because it's going that way. That's my guess. I'm not always right. The AI system placed that trade, so we'll sit here and watch it. I did say this. I said if you join the live session this morning and you can comment live on YouTube, and I'm not doing this if you missed the live, if you're not on the live, and there's only a handful of people here right now, is what it is. I have a very valuable Forex trading workshop that I put together a little over a year ago on how to trade US 30. And if you want it, comment in the live chat comment section. Say something that you want the workshop, and I will give it to you. In fact, let me show you what I'm going to give to you. It is, let me think for a second. Let me choose the right spot here. Let me pull this up. Where's it at? Here it is. There we go. So it's a one-page PDF that I will give away, and all of these links on the PDF link out to videos on YouTube. I did this a year ago, and this covers my RSI 4 entry strategy, which is the only thing I've ever found. If you're going to use an indicator and you're going to manually trade, man, this is the way to do it. This is the way to do it. And it takes practice. It's gamified. It's like playing a game. Down here, lesson 14, 15, 16, where I show you me trading on the iPad, I show live trading on the iPhone, and I show live trading on a VPS. Basically, MetaTrader 4 on a VPS is MetaTrader 4 in the Windows cloud, right? So take it for what it is, and this covers a lot of different aspects. It's going to cover desktop, iPad, and iPhone, and wherever you feel like you fit, the concept is the same. Some people at the beginning will go, well, you're customizing a desktop MetaTrader 4 inside of VPS. I don't have that. Oh, okay. Follow along. It's the concept that's more important than the fact that you might or might not have a VPS, or you might or might not have access to even a computer where you can run the full MetaTrader 4 version. I'm not saying one's better than the other. I just covered it thoroughly. And the concept of the RSI 4, it's the RSI, the Relative Strength Index indicator with a setting of 4. It's fucking brilliant. So, and I didn't come up with this, but I did put a course together. So if you want it, say something in the comments. I'll give it to you through the group in private messaging. And if you missed the live, no, I'm probably not going to give it to you. I'm going to use it as bonuses for other types of things. So, all right, cool. I don't see any comments. Let's come back to live trading here. Right here. There we go. So you can see, if you want to, I don't know if you want to jump into this now, but if you want to jump into a potentially profitable US 30 trade, you can see on the screen here that I entered at 38,610 roughly, and we're up a little bit in profit now. Well, now up profit, down profit, up profit, down profit. Take profit 38790 is what I'm planning, and a stop loss at 38530. It's valid as of Tuesday, April 9th at 8:06 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. That would be 11 a.m., 11:06 a.m. Eastern Time. So you can see it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Let me go to the pause screen, and we're going to jump over to free signals. And I just have to say this again as I pull this up. Stand by. Let me pull it up first. This is our free signals trade right now, NZD CAD. I think it's a really, really good trade. You could jump in right now on a standard currency pair. They don't move fast enough to where you have to worry about it. The first trade is slightly in profit. The second trade is not. This basket will be profitable. If I go to the chart, and there could be more trades on this, but we've come over the top here, okay? We've got a sell trade up here, a sell trade here, both at the same lot size, and our TP is down here. This is the 30-minute chart, so, right? That doesn't mean that it couldn't bounce, go back up, and we enter some more. However, this is going to be a good trade either way, as long as you don't overbid and overtax your account, and you plan for this going farther than it did. It is what it is. In terms of scaling in manually, I like to watch this. I just don't even enter, and I watch this, and I wait to see it get a little bit closer to the TP, and then I manually enter at a higher lot size. That's me. I'm a degenerate gambler, and if you'd like to be a degenerate gambler, I suggest you get the t-shirt, fxwithterry.com. Join the group, get the t-shirt. Not for free, though. You're going to have to pay for it. That is the free signal, and in fact, free signals, nothing has closed in the last 24 hours. Week-wise, it's closed $1,455.69 in signal positive closures. You could have bid whatever you wanted to. This is going to change slightly the way that we do this moving forward, certainly starting next week. I'm going to create a video today, most likely, that describes all of the consolidations and updates, and it's just taking what we're doing and making it better and making it easier on me. I'd like to start spending the majority of my time focused on telling you what trade to be in, what we're doing, and showing more results as opposed to just the results. We're just going to give you the results. We'll show you what's going on. Keep it simple. I'm creating some new accounts to share the results with you, as opposed to, I'll give you an example, okay? It really messes people up when I show them, in fact, I'll pull this up. It really messes people up when I show them something like this. Let me give you the pause screen. I'm gonna show you a screenshot that I showed this morning, and this just messes people up. It is what it is. Right here it is, and this is a screenshot, so this isn't a lot, but I took a screenshot this morning. When you look at this, and I say, these are all of the trades that closed, I believe, in the auto system last night. They closed in profit. Now, if your average Forex want-to-get-rich person out there on the internet sees this, they're going to go, that sucks. I'm leaving. Okay. What this is an automated signal that gets sent out to your account, and you get to bid a multiply factor of what is shown here. I'm bidding 10 cents, bottom lowest bid you can bid on any of these trades. They're all winning. They're all winning. And in fact, all of my trades bid properly and in a net profit. All of them, every one of them, all the time. What I feel like I want to do, because on the surface, nobody's fucking impressed with $6.28. I don't look at it that way. I could have bid $10 on each one of these and made $628. Okay? I'm going to start showing that, and I'm going to set up some accounts where you can see that, because I want to show the real, like, I want to interest people that are able, and I'm going to help them. I'm going to help you. I'm going to help them get out of their own way. There's just so much crazy stuff. I probably will. I saved this video from TikTok this morning that is just an absolute freaking Forex lie. And it looks so good. Especially if I had never traded Forex before, I'd go, oh shit, wow, that's incredible. But on the opposite side, on the true side, it's a lie. I will show you that video on this call. So let me go back to the pause here. We looked at free. Let's go look at premium signals. And that's where I'm going to be making a major update this week. For the better, for good. If you're doing premium signals now, you're going to love what I give you. Let's find it in my account list here. Here it is. So current premium signals, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades open, 2 currency pairs, and I'll show you the closure overnight. And this is a little more realistic. I'll show you the closure overnight. We closed USD Chief at a profit and AUD JPY at a profit, total 27.77. That's still a signal that's sent out at $1. Now the thing that kind of gets me is that people don't understand the value. I'm going to show you the value of this $27.77, because people see this, and here's the problem with when you look at people trading on the internet. They go ahead and set up a $10 million demo account, and they take trades at $300 a pip. So if I took this trade at $300 a pip, it would be incredible. I feel like that's some of the direction I'm going to take this, because the trade won. I don't care what you bid, as long as your account can handle it, right? But I'd like to show people bigger results. But let's look at this real quick. $27.77. So $27.77. There are, oh, let me get rid of my lines on each other. There are 240 trading days a month. Where do I get that? 20 trading days. 240 trading. There are 240 trading days per year. So 20 trading days per month times 12, 240. Okay? So $27.77 times 240. That's a $6,664.80 a year profit if you did $27.77 a year. Now, or $27.77 a day in trading. Now, let's also say that you're doing that on a $1,000 account. So you just did a 600% return on investment for the year. That's how you have to look at these accounts, especially with standard Forex pairs. It's going to be more on a shorter term basis with my high profit feed: gold, US 30, NAS, XPX, US oil. It's going to be more. And guess what? If anybody, and they haven't done it, has made a comment live as they're watching me on YouTube here, I would have given you the Forex workshop and made you dangerous with things like US 30, NAS, where you can do your own entries as a degenerate gambler and make a lot doing it. You can. So it's about looking at these numbers. Like for example, $100 a day times 240 days a year. That's a $24,000 a year. Now, what size of account does it take to make $100 a day? Could you do it with $1,000 account? Maybe with the high profit stuff like the gold US 30, you could. You could average that over time, absolutely. You'll also average more losses than you would with a standard currency pair, but the profits should outdo the losses if you know what you're doing. If you're taking my automated trades and or taking my automated trade as a signal. There's two different ways. You can take my automated trade and bid what you would normally bid if you were entering manually, or you can take my automated trade at an absolute minimum lot size and then scale in manually and make more. Very possible. So what would it take? What size of account would it take to make $100 a day? Somewhere in the, if you're doing standard currency pairs, probably in the $5,000 range, right? And again, you're not losing that you're leveraging the 5,000. Is it at risk? Of course it is. With my system, it's a lot less risk. With my knowledge and my system, if I can impart my knowledge to you and my system to you, you're going to be just that much better. Self-Made Mommy says, please share the strategy with me. I will send it to you in private message on Discord when we are done here. I have it in a PDF. I basically see you. In fact, when I click this, that puts you right up on the screen. Self-Made Mommy, please share the strategy. And then, of course, Derek said, my middle name is dangerous. That is absolutely true. All right, back to the account. Let me make sure I'm in the right spot here. So, you know, these people that are get rich quick, kind of people, it's possible, but don't give me any negativity that making $27.77 a day. This is just a signal. You bid whatever you want. Bid what's realistic for you. Bid more, bid less. This is a signal. All right. To the pause. Superman says, it's Nick. Hold on, everything's in the way. Look at this. I'll put it on the screen. Superman says, good morning. I really need to set up some social media channels without my name so I can just talk shit. My name is on every social media channel that I have. All right, switching accounts. We looked at free, we looked at premium. Let me go to my account list here. And I really am not going to look at much more because I'm in transition of showing you guys things in a little bit different way every morning. Let me look at something on my end. Stand by. And see if I want to share this. Let's see. Where is it at? Let's look here. Yeah, I mean, look at this. This is that US 30 trade that went out. This is the actual AI automated system that set the trade out. I'm bidding 30 cents. And at 200 plus unrealized. Let me pause one more time because I need to look at something. Yeah, look at this. I'll come back here. So this is that US 30 trade that I called out. If you look at the automated system this morning, it entered, the AI system entered, and didn't like it, got out, didn't like it, got out, didn't like it, got out, yet it's still up $293.49. So if you're the kind of person, and someone did this to me this morning, ouch, Terry, that first gold trade didn't do very well. I'm like, fucking day ain't over, the week ain't over, the year ain't over, the month ain't over. Yeah, well, you want to win every trade? Well, I'm not the guy for you. Go find somebody that makes you believe that they have that. So no one's going to win every trade. But the AI system is intelligent enough to jump in and jump in and jump in. And we already made $214 on that US 30 trade. In fact, Let me pause and go back to an account here that we can look at. Stand by. Here it is right in front of me. This is the one that I called out. And yeah, so it's already taken partial profit. So this is left on the table. And I've only bid, I think I only bid 0.02 or 0.02 on this. So it's already taken partial profit and we're still up. An unrealized, unclosed profit. And yes, that could back out. The market's been doing that to us all morning. But it'll back out and hit the stop and be break even, basically. So, all right, pause on that. Bear Market Bull says, PDF sounds very good. Since I don't know what your name is, leave that in the comment, please. I do know who Self-Made Mommy is. But, yeah, Bear Market Bull, I know you want the PDF. I can probably figure it out from your username in Discord, but let me know. I got to look at something. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to look at anything. The US 30 trade is doing well. The one that I called free in the group, doing extremely well. Let me see if there's anything else we're going to look at. I think what I will look at, let me look at the account list. Yeah, let's take a look at something. Let me pull up the account real quick here and I'll explain to you what we're looking at. Yeah, like look at this. So this is a larger account. In this exact same US 30 trade, we're up 55.75. I need to see what the history is showing. Yeah, check out the history here. So I'm bidding high. It took a few hits, right? But I'm still up. That's the whole point behind this. I'm not, if all I did was look at the first trade and went, oh, it's $1,986 down. You can't. I'm net profit, net, nothing but net. 87.36 in this particular account. Taking the exact same automated trades, I am doing no manual scale in on this. No manual scale in on this. So those are the kind of numbers people want to see. That's what I'm showing. Is what it is. Come back to the pause, and then I'm going to switch accounts and show you, I believe, one more thing. Man, this US 30 is hitting some nice profit now. Just had to wait, didn't we? All right, so let's look at this one last account, and I'll kind of reiterate something I said earlier, because we pretty much already looked at it. Yeah, we pretty much already looked at it. I'll go ahead and share this. So again, this is the auto trading account. Closed a total of $7.93 as of now. We've got some decent volume. So again, you will have bid what you wanted to bid here. I'm not saying, when people say, well, Terry, give me your results. Results for what? Results for a $3,300 account, results for a $7,000 account, results for a $20,000 account, results for a $22,547 account. What results do you want? The results are the results you'll get. My system always ends in a net profit. It always does. Oh, you overbid it and took a loss? Well, the trade itself won. Look at it, right? Or rather, look at it. It won. So, I'm just chomping at the bit to kind of share what changes and updates I'm going to make to the system this week. But it's, again, I'm making the video today. It's going to be like a PowerPoint type presentation. I'll lay it out. It's exactly what we're doing. And I'm not going to, in that presentation, I'm not going to quote current prices, because that presentation should be able to last for years to come, because even if prices change, the concept in my group and what I'm offering is the same. Frankly, just to give you a basic idea of what's coming, is I've consolidated everything down to two things. Either the free trades that I'm giving or everything automated. And I can even automate, and you'll see, I think it's a good way, great way to do it. I can even automate premium signals for you in terms of giving them to you at a lot higher volume and a lot easier for you, as opposed to the Discord group signals or the Telegram signals. None of that's going away for you people that like it. I'm going to make it easier and better for you. Easier and better. And that's the key. In fact, you absolutely cannot, at this point, I don't believe there's anything left. You absolutely cannot sign up for premium any longer inside the group. You might be able to dig around and find some random link. You probably can. But I'm removing all of that stuff and frankly not going to accept any premium subscribers, because the current ones now are going to get a massive bonus, and then everybody that's signed up at any level is going to get a massive bonus. So really good stuff. Excited to launch that. That's it. I've got to do an important phone call here. I did not get Bear Market Bull. Did not get your name in the live chat. Hopefully message me in Discord and I'll send you the PDF of my trading workshop. So appreciate you guys joining me this morning. That's it. Short, sweet, awesome stuff to come. Keep positively trading. Share your results in the group, will you? Share your results. Because even if you feel like your results aren't good, I can show you how they're good or show you how to make them better. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday morning, bright and early. Take care.